did you two come into this?
You gonna plunder a few temples, loot the museum?
That's just a little historical research.
Christ almighty.
The client is willing to part with a huge sum of cash if we acquire a certain object.
They called it the wish-fulfilling jewel.
That's gotta be worth millions.
Hundreds of millions.
Hang on a minute. Easier said than done.
This is fake.
It's a forgery.
You've been played.
Honor among thieves, huh?
I'm a good businessman. You're a pirate.
We're gonna snatch that treasure right out from under them.
They get us all killed!
Come on.
You in then?
What the hell? I mean, what could possibly go wrong?
PS4 for the players.